Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with money on hold in your PayPal account, you're not alone. In this video, we'll walk through how to transfer that held funds step by step, tailored for 2025 updates. Whether it's due to a new purchase, a seller dispute, or security checks, PayPal often puts funds on hold to protect everyone involved. By the end of this, you'll have your money moving smoothly. Let's dive in. First things first, log into your PayPal account using your email and password. If you haven't already, make sure your account is verified. PayPal might require additional steps like linking a bank account or confirming your identity. Once you're in, head to the Summary tab. Here, you'll see any holds listed under Pending or On Hold balances. Click on that to get details. Next, resolve any issues causing the hold. For example, if it's a new seller account, you might need to provide shipping proof or wait for buyer confirmation. PayPal's 2025 updates include faster dispute resolutions, so check for any prompts to upload documents or respond to messages. This could take a few days, but stay patient. Once the hold is lifted, go to the Transfer section. Select the amount you want to move, choose your linked bank account or debit card, and confirm the transfer. Remember, transfers can take 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank. Keep an eye out for fees. PayPal might charge for instant transfers in 2025. A quick tip: always double-check your account security. Use two-factor authentication and monitor for unusual activity. If you run into problems, contact PayPal support through their help center. They've improved response times this year. There you have it. Your funds should be on their way. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. What's your biggest PayPal hassle? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.